this cute little wet bob that I have right here. This is a 14-inch bob. I did receive this unit from ISHOW hair, and it is a wig unit, y'all. This is a wig, okay? I did not make this unit myself. The company pre-made this wig, and it looks really bomb. The curls actually looks really good. For this video, I was going for that beachy vacation, right up at the pool type of look, and I think I pretty much achieved that with this unit. The curls look really good and juicy, and the curls just look so so you guys, this is my first time trying a short curly hair bob. This is my first time trying anything short and curly hair. You know, I kind of have to get used to it. I'm not really used to it yet. So let me know what you guys think, or if I should change the part to like a side part or something else, or all back. I don't know, y'all. Just let me know what y'all think in the comment section down below. If you guys want to see how to achieve this wet look, then keep on watching. Alright, so y'all, this is how this hair came. It came in this ISHOW hair packaging, this pink packaging, and also came inside a pink bag. On the back, it just shows you how to care for your hair, the quality of the hair. And this is how the hair looks. The curls look really good, and this is how the inside of the hair looks. And it also came with their free hair giveaway on the inside. Okay, and then it came with their return exchange form. Right here, I'm just placing some foundation up underneath my lace so that it can blend better. Some water on it. I haven't cut my lace or anything yet because I'm going to wait to do all of that until after I get done with this. It's basically kind of tamed, so y'all can see untamed and tamed. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do this side over here. Get this side down. Brush through it and just make sure that, you know, the water is over everything. And I feel like it needs a little bit more over here. Okay, so y'all, now I'm going to take my Treseme's mousse and put it on this. This is the Flawless Curls mousse. So pretty good, y'all. Like, literally, I'm not even kidding y'all. It smells really good. part and pluck a little bit of the sides off. Now I'm just going to just cut the lace off of it. So yeah, be careful not to cut your real hair. I'm actually going to take my razor to cut the rest of it off. How I want to do this. Put some gel on it to kind of flatten down the top of it, and some gel on the sides. Okay, y'all, so now I'm just gonna brush through it. Brush through it, I'm just going to add a little bit more mousse. You guys just saw that long strand. I'm going to show you guys again. Have any long strands like this to come out, just it's going to go back to its natural state, but you can just crunch it back up if you want to, y'all. This long thing is kind of okay. Yeah, so now I'm just going to add some more mousse. Achieve wet looks period. That this is just the first time that I'm doing it on a short curly hair. This is the first time I'm doing it on a short bob curly hair wig. It's the first time ever. I do this on my long curly hair wigs, but I've never done it on the short bob wig. So this is just how it came out. Let me know y'all thoughts and comments or whatever. Go ahead and get into this hair. So I received this unit from ISHOW Hair. This is a wig unit, and you guys, I received a 14-inch natural curly hair. The density of this wig is 150 density, and I actually really do like the density of the unit. I really do like the density of this unit, actually, because it's not too thin. I feel like it's just perfect. You guys, I've never tried this hairstyle before. Mia says she like it. I don't know, I kind of have to get used to it because I'm not really used to this hairstyle. So it's 100% human hair, and it can be dyed and bleached or whatever. This hair can be dyed and bleached as well if you want to dye it or bleach it. It can be dyed or bleached. However, I just had placed some foundation up under my part, as y'all see in the beginning, and it looks pretty freaking good. Actually, what I actually want to do is place some foundation in my part, because I feel like you can tell the variation from the cap from my part. You guys can place some powder or some foundation within your part. And I'm just going to place some into my part. 13x4 lace front in the 13x4 lace frontal unit, so it is 13x4 lace all up here, and it is a wig. It did come with some combs in the back. I will link all the specifications in the description box below. Okay, so you guys, now my thoughts on this unit. So this is a curly bob unit, 14 inch. You guys, I'm just thankful that they already cut this. I didn't have to cut it at all, and I was kind of looking for, you know, that kind of like beachy, you know, type of look or whatever, like, you know, something just straight up out the pool, or, you know, something straight up out the beach. You know, I was kind of going for that type of look. For me, it took 4 days. The only shedding that I received was from when I plucked the hair. You guys can probably see it in the video. That is the only shedding that I received. I really do like it. The curls look super duper bomb. They look freaking juicy, y'all. The curls look good. The curls on this unit looks really good, and I'm really amazed with it. I really want to show you guys up close of it. Doesn't have a smell to it or anything. So that's all that I have to say about this hair. It didn't have any shedding, didn't have any tangling. Shipping came pretty fast. Doesn't have a smell to it. I just want to thank ISHOW Hair for sending me this unit. I really do love this unit. I'm satisfied with it, and I just want to thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think about this in the comment section down below. Share this video on all your social media platforms. Make sure you guys subscribe to our channel, click the bell so that you guys never miss a notification from us. Make sure you guys check out ISHOW Hair. I'll link all of their company details in the description box down below. The link to this wig and their websites and everything, their social media handles, everything that you guys will want to know in the description box down below. And I'll see you guys in our next video. Bye guys.